Hi, and welcome to my final project. This is Lauren here, and I'm going to give you a tour through the Getting Started section of my Creative Technologies for Early Connections faculty workshop series. The final product of the workshop series will be faculty creating their own Getting Started section for their own course. And to model that, I created a Getting Started section for this workshop series. So let me give you a tour and explain my intention behind what you'll find there. So welcome to the workshop course. I built this in Moodle, which is the college's learning management system, and Moodle will be used to support the asynchronous component of the workshop. There will be face-to-face component and also an asynchronous online component. And part of the intention there is just to model the use of Moodle for faculty in the workshop series. So here's the workshop. You can see that there is a section for each of the workshop sessions, and then a getting started section. So the workshop syllabus and schedule is easy to find. We have the overall essential questions for the workshop, and then we have this getting started section. So the getting started section is the end product that I'm asking faculty to create in their as part of the workshop series, and the goal of this is to help decode sort of the hidden curriculum and the expectations and norms of this course for students. And so I'm attempting to do this here for faculty for our own workshop. So when you click into the Getting Started section, you find the first thing you find is the pre-course survey, which would also go out to participants via email. And so this pre-course survey is just intended to get to know the individual participants in the course, their goals, their prior experiences, and what they need from us to feel supportive. So we asked about technologies they're already familiar with, 3 words associated with creativity. That's something that could be used to create a word cloud or create discussion during the first face-to-face session, personal and professional goals, and then also any accommodations or even dietary restrictions, any individual needs that the participants need to feel that this is an individualized experience for them. So there's a pre-course survey. There also would be a course welcome video, which ultimately will be the video that I'm creating right now. We have a couple of readings, just light readings. These are blog posts, one about equity in the classroom and creativity, and then one about a community of practice, as this workshop series is structured as a community of practice. There's also an introductory discussion forum with the prompt here being around asking participants to introduce themselves, but also start engaging with the content of the workshop, and also linking back to one of the readings that was given. So this is just to model getting to know each other and communicating in the virtual, in the digital space. So there's the introduction forum that participants will engage in, and then finally there's an easy assignment. So this is just asking individuals, participants in the workshop, to submit their individual workshop learning plan, which again just asks them to kind of reflect on their next 6 weeks, what's going on for them, any conflicts or stressors, and what do they need from us as facilitators to make this as productive and supportive of a learning experience as possible. So the rationale behind using discussion forum here and an assignment is that these are Moodle tools that we're going to use throughout the workshop, throughout the asynchronous portion of the workshop. And so we want to make sure that participants know how to use those tools and feel comfortable with them right from the start. And so that's part of sort of decoding what some of the expectations of this course are for participants, is to help them with low stakes opportunities to use common course tools right from the beginning. And the Getting Started section should do that. So that's it. It's pretty simple, and that's the goal, but hopefully you can see that this is all designed as a way for us to get to know the individuals who will be going through this course, and to make sure that it is an inclusive and fruitful learning opportunity for them.